In this video, I'm going to show you 3 exercises that will help you control and balance your right hand. It'll be sort of like finger independence for your right hand and making sure that the fingers are doing what you want them to be doing and they don't have a mind of their own. So just a reminder, when I talk about the right hand fingers for classical guitar, I refer to the names we have for them, which is P, I, M, and A. P, I, M, A. In each of these exercises, we're going to be focusing our attention on a different finger and trying to get the best balance and tone out of that particular finger. For these exercises, you're going to assign your fingers to the top 4 strings of the guitar. So P is on the 4th string, I is on the 3rd string, M is on the 2nd string, and A is on the 1st string. There's not anything specific you need to do with your left hand. You can do open strings if you want, or if that kind of sounds boring, you can pick an easy chord. I'll do an E major chord. Keeping our fingers on the assigned strings, and our first pattern is P, show you again. P, A, I, A, M, A, I, A. So start really slow and have an even quality in each of your fingers. We can gradually speed this up a little bit and think about, it's not really about the speed of the exercise, it's more about the evenness. So we'll play it again a little bit faster. And we're just focusing on the quality and the tone of the notes. And since this one is repeating the A finger so much, let's see if we can bring out the A finger to make it the loudest note in this. And now for the second exercise, we're going to be staying in the same exact position, but we're going to be focusing on the I finger. So it's going to go P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. Your I finger is probably the most comfortable, and it's probably the finger that you use the most when you're playing, so make sure that all of your fingers are matching the tone of your I finger. Make sure all of the fingers sound with an even tone. And we'll go a little bit faster. And then let's do the same thing where we try to bring out the I finger the loudest. Okay, so now we have our third exercise, and this one I saved for last because it's the most challenging. It's basically the same thing but with our M finger repeating, and this is the most challenging because we're changing directions so much. I'll show you what I mean. So we'll do a slow first. P, M, I, M, A, M, I, M, P, M, I, M, A, M, I, M. So because we're changing, we're going back and forth so much, we're going up to A and then back to I, don't let the notes get rushed or lopsided. Let's keep them even the entire time. So let's do it slow again because this one is gonna take more concentration than to speed it up. So. If you're playing this and you're not sure if you are even or not, you can use a metronome. You could put a metronome on for every note that your right hand finger plays. These exercises are something you should work on over a period of time, not just while you watch this video. Maybe do them for a little while. Do them with a metronome, do them at different tempos. But for now, let's do bringing the M finger out to be the loudest. Thanks for for joining me in this little right hand technique video. I hope that this was helpful and that helps you control your fingers to the exact amount you want, and we can get really nice balance and finger independence in the pieces that you're playing. Let me know if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time.